Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum dear student. Welcome to physics grade 9. Written work of the chapter number 3 dynamics, and today's lecture is lecture number 51 and question number is question number 10. What is isolated system? Explain. First of all, prepare your page. Write down serial number, physics, homework, 14 May 2020. Question is question number 10. What is isolated system? Explain. Write down the question with the help of the blue marker. Write down the heading of mind map and underline it properly with the help of pencil. Main heading is isolated system. System of particles. Interacting with each other. But outside interaction is negligible. Example, gas molecule या gas molecules या molecules of the gas enclosed in a vessel or cylinder. This is the mind map for question number 10. What is isolated system? Explain. Isolated system of particles interacting with each other but outside interaction is negligible, and gas molecule enclosed in a vessel or cylinder is example. Then after this, write down the heading of answer with the help of blue marker. Write down isolated system. याद रखना है कि जितनी भी आप लोगों के पास हेडिंग आएंगी, हेडिंग आप लोगों ने कैपिटल लेटर में देनी है विद द हेल्प ऑफ मार्कर ब्लैक एंड ब्लू. डेफिनेशन, एंड अंडरलाइन इट प्रॉपरली विद द हेल्प ऑफ पेंसिल. Question is, an isolated system is a collection of particles that interact with each other but whose interaction with the environment outside the collection have negligible effect on their motion. An isolated system collection is a collection of the particles that can interact with each other but whose interaction with the environment outside the collection have negligible effect on their motion. Explanation की heading with the help of blue marker आप लोगों ने दे देनी है. We are often interested in the behavior of collection of particles that interact only with each other. We can draw an imaginary boundary around the particles, but complication can arise if some of the particles experiences the net force they originate outside the system boundary. In order to effectively study interaction between particles, we must limit our focus to the isolated system of particles. Example की heading blue marker से दे देंगे. For example, the molecule of the gas enclosed in a vessel can be considered as an isolated system of interacting bodies. Gas molecules interact with each other and with the walls of the container. Other forces such as those of the table holding up the container and the gravitational forces are considered to have a negligible effect on the motion of the molecules and container. This was the question number 10. What is isolated system? Explain. Next question, question number 11. Show that for an isolated system, final momentum is equal to the initial momentum of the system, or show that for an isolated system momentum remain conserved. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 की हेडिंग हम दे देंगे प्रॉपरली. क्वेश्चन 11, क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, show that for an isolated system, final momentum is equal to initial momentum of the system, और सेकेंड क्वेश्चन भी इसका हो सकता है यूं कि शो दैट फॉर एन आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम मोमेंटम remains conserved. Underline it properly with the help of the pencil. Write down the heading of the mind map. Underline it. मोमेंटम ऑफ आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम माइंड मैप में हम मेन हेडिंग हमारे पास है मोमेंटम ऑफ आइसोलेटेड सिस्टम. If f is equal to 0, then 0 is equal to del p divided by del t. Final momentum is equal to initial momentum is total momentum of system remain conserved. Are unchanged. This is the mind map for question number 11. After this, write the heading of the answer with the help of blue marker. For an isolated system, there is no net. If there is no net force acting, so F is equal to 0. Therefore, Newton's second law in terms of momentum can be written as 0 is equal to del P divided by del T, or 0 is equal to Pf minus Pi divided by del T. Therefore, Pf is equal to Pi. In absence of the external force, isolated system, the final momentum Pf of the system must be equal to the initial momentum Pi. If no net external force acts on the system of particles, the total momentum of the system cannot be changed. This was the question number 11. Next question is question number 12. Show that during collision of two bodies in an isolated system, momentum remains constant. So let's start question number 12. Write down question number 12. Question number 12. Show that during collision of two bodies in an isolated system, momentum remains constant. Underline it properly with the help of pencil. Write down the heading of mind map. Draw the blocks for the mind map. Write down the main heading: collision, particles come close to each other and interact by means of force. Before collision, after collision, Pi is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2 and Pf is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2 and momentum remains conserved. Write down the heading of the answer with the help of blue marker, then heading of the collision with the help of black or blue marker, and then write down the heading of definition with the help of blue or black marker. An event during which particles come close to each other and interact by means of forces is called collision. Explanation: considered a system consisting two objects A and B of masses m1 and m2 moving with velocities u1 and u2 respectively, such that after collision their velocity changes to v1 and v2. The total momentum of the system before collision is Pi is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. The total momentum of the system after the collision changes to Pf is equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. By law of conservation of momentum, Pf is equal to Pi. Therefore, m1 v1 plus m2 v2 is equal to m1 u1 plus m2 u2. Hence, for an isolated system, momentum of two bodies remains conserved during collision. यहाँ पर वर्ड है remains, REMAINS, remains. So this was the question number 12. Write down the question number 10, 11 and 12 in your neat notebook with neat handwriting. Stay blessed. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.